Style guide on how to look slimmer and taller. Powered by FG Atelier, the online destination for office and business clothing. You can't really go wrong with narrow stripes at the side of your pants. Your silhouette will instantly look slimmer and leaner. Wide pants and narrow belt create an illusion of thinner waist and much longer legs, especially if you wear heels. A V-shaped neckline has a little secret often forgotten about. It elongates your neck and makes your shoulders appear more narrow. The colors are very important. Wearing the same shade clothing head to toe, especially a lighter color, creates a solid line that instantly makes you look taller. Visit fgatelier.com for more information and inspiration on where to work style.